Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my channel. For those who are watching not the first time, or for those who are visiting my channel not the first time, welcome back. Today I want to talk about one little thing that could ruin your experience with your newly bought or built portable SSD. So no further ado, let's get into that. Okay, for today's video I brought Pixero SSD enclosure, M.2 enclosure, parts are falling, and a Lexar 2 terabytes NM790 M.2 SSD. It's actually not the best one, but not the worst one. I think in specs they're written that it's around 6,500 megabits per second write speeds and 7,000 something megabits per second read speeds. We can assemble this right away. And I want to tell you a short story. I've built this exact portable SSD for my holiday pictures and footage. I was very surprised that after all day taking pictures and videos, I wanted to transfer those to the SSD, and all that footage took me to copy around 24 hours. I really didn't know what's happening. I was so disappointed. I thought that my enclosure was faulty. So I swapped SSD to this enclosure. Those both enclosures are rated 10 megabytes. No. Oh no, not 10 megabytes. Let me check. Yep. I always mix it up. 10 gigabits per second. They should be okay, not the fastest, but they should be okay. So I swapped M.2 to this one. And for my surprise, it didn't make any difference. After that, I thought that my M.2 SSD is faulty, and I decided to kind of build the new one. I've managed to find a USB 4 enclosure and buy a different M.2, like better M.2, but that was quite expensive. So I decided maybe I will give another shot for my equipment. I thought if enclosures are good, if M.2 SSD is good, so what else? And then I got it. I need to try to change a cable which I was using for my travels. This is cheap Ivon. It was very handy because you can put it here and you will have the SSD with your cable all the time. So then I tried with different Chinese USB to USB-C to USB-C cable. Then I tried with original iPad Pro, M4 iPad Pro cable. So I thought it's Apple's product, so it should be okay, should be good. And then I tried one more I bought from China. It's rated 40 gigabits per second cable. Maybe you can call it USB 4 or thunderbolt. I wouldn't call that. And run a couple of tests. So I think we should see what are the test results and for ourselves, or I want to show you the test results and what to expect from those different cables. Okay, so let's go to my trusty Mac Mini and let's have some tests. So we're at my computer, or Mac Mini to be exact, and as I said, we're starting from iPhone cable, that small one, and let's see what will happen. Let's select target drive, okay, open, and let's start the test. So as you can see, the speed jumped and it always drops. Maybe I just speed it up for just saving time purposes, okay? Just to measure speed of this cable is just so slow. And as you can see, the speed just drops and drops. It's unbelievable. And 50 megabytes per second, I don't think it's even acceptable for this SSD. Next one is that strange, kind of thicker USB-C to USB-C cable from China. Let's try it. Again, we will choose a target drive, when it here, open, and run the test. And as you can see, it does the same thing. Starts quite nice, but it just always drops and drops. I don't know. I would say that my SSD's cache is overflowing, or my SSD's just overheating, or I don't know. But how this cable can do this? Oh my god, it's taken so long. It's just freaking boring. Okay, and we finished second cable test. And we are going to test now a iPad original cable. I think if it's Apple's product, it should be kind of okay. Maybe it's not thunderbolt cable, but it should be okay. Well, so let's select the target drive again, open, and let's see what the Apple cable can do. Okay, no. It does the same thing as the other two cheap Chinese cables? Really? Okay, now it's turn for that gray one, 40 gigabits per second rated cable, UGuard, I think the brand is UGuard. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Let's see what happens with this cable. Okay, select the target drive, open, and start the test for a gray 40 gigabit per second cable. Oh. Ooh. Now that's the real and normal speed for this portable SSD. These are the speeds you should see with your SSD, not those with from the previous tests. And Okay, stop this. And I have one more cable. It is Thunderbolt USB 4 cable. Let's run test and let's see if it has difference between this gray one and black long Thunderbolt cable. To make sure, select a drive, open, let's start. Okay, and you can see that this Thunderbolt cable performs the same as that gray one. Let's get back to the studio, or in reality in my attic. Okay, we're back at the table, and maybe someone would tell that you're a stupid guy. Everybody knows that cables means a lot for quality, speeds and transfers, and yeah, I know that. And I knew that, but I didn't knew that these can be such a crap ones. I didn't expect that it will perform as a USB 4 or Thunderbolt cables. Maybe half a speed, or maybe 200 megabytes per second, not 40. Just to show you that this one and this one are cheap Chinese cables, so maybe it's not a surprise for those performances, and you can just throw them out. But this cable is the Apple product, and I thought it should perform, maybe it should perform like 400 megabytes per second, or I don't know, but not like those cheap Chinese cables. I'm just disappointed, but I'm really happy with this one, with this Chinese cheap cable. I'm really happy. This one, a USB 4 Thunderbolt cable, I bought it in China too. It cost me around maybe 9 euros. Not a very bad price, but this one cost me around 4 euros, and it outperforms the original Apple cable. So in conclusion, if you're seeing bad performance with your portable SSD, please don't throw it out, or don't be disappointed about the particular SSD performance. Just borrow or buy a real normal cable that it's rated for high speeds. Buy these ones, or buy USB 4 Thunderbolt cables. It will perform perfectly, and then you can even edit from your SSD directly, because with these cables, no, it's impossible. Even DaVinci Resolve starts to shudder, and it's terrible experience. So get the normal cables and you should be good. If you had similar experience or experiences with the SSDs and cables, maybe you have other experiences or something to say, please leave the comment below. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and please subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.